Photography. It's more than just clicking a button. It's the art and science of capturing light to create images, whether it's a family portrait, a breathtaking sunset, or a historic moment. Photography freezes time and lets us tell stories without saying a single word, the word. Photography comes from Greek, photos meaning light, and graphy meaning drawing, literally. It means drawing with light. Without light, there is no photograph. Every image you've ever seen exists because light was captured and preserved, whether on film, a digital sensor, or even glass plates in the earliest days. Photography blends creativity and technology. There's the science, understanding your camera, the physics of light, exposure and focus, and there's the art, composition, emotion, and storytelling. Together, they transform ordinary moments into unforgettable memories. From documenting history to expressing personal vision, photography shapes the way we see the world. It connects cultures, preserves memories, and sparks emotions often in ways words simply can't. In this course, we'll explore photography from the ground up, from its fascinating history to the skills and techniques you can use right now. This is just the first chapter. A complete introduction to the world of photography. Follow along, and together, we'll learn how to draw with light,